Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Government Jobs in Your Pocket. Today we are discussing about the topic polygons. All definitions, formulas and some questions related to polygon will be discussed today. So first, what are actually polygons? A polygon is a two-dimensional geometric shape with straight lines that are connected to form a closed figure. The sides of a polygon do not intersect except at the corners. So the points you need to keep in mind about polygons are that they are closed figures formed using straight lines and their sides intersect only at corners. Now polygons are of two types, regular polygons and irregular polygons. Regular polygons are polygons with all sides equal, and examples include equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, etc. And of course, irregular polygons are polygons with all sides not equal. And examples include trapezium, irregular pentagon, irregular hexagon, etc. Now I have a question for you. Is circle a polygon? Pause the video and comment your answers. And the answer is no. No, circle is not considered a polygon. According to definition of polygon, it is a geometric shape enclosed by straight lines. In contrast, a circle is a curved continuous shape with no straight sides. It has no corners, sides or angles which distinguishes it from polygons. Next, you need to keep in mind two main properties of regular polygon. First one is all the interior angles of a regular polygon are equal. Here, angles marked as theta are interior angles. And second one is center of a regular polygon is equidistant for all sides. Next, we can look into some of the important formulas related to regular polygons, which will be useful for many exams like SSC, RRB, NTPC, PSC, etc. So here are two formulas related to interior angles of regular polygons. We already know that all interior angles of a regular polygon are equal. So sum of interior angles is given by n minus 2 into 180 degree, and each interior angle is given by n minus 2 divided by n into 180 degree. Here n is the number of sides. Suppose n is given as 5, then each interior angle is 5 minus 2 the whole divided by 5 into 180 degree, which is 3 by 5 into 180 degree equals 108 degree. Next, we have formulas related to exterior angles of a regular polygon. An exterior angle of a regular polygon is formed by extending one of the sides of the polygon beyond the vertex. So here the angle marked as alpha is an exterior angle. Sum of all exterior angles of a regular polygon is always 360 degree, and each exterior angle is given by 360 degree divided by n. Sum of interior angle and exterior angle of a polygon is always 180 degree. Here theta plus alpha is 180 degree. Next, number of diagonals in a polygon is given by n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Next, area of a regular polygon is given by half into perimeter into perpendicular distance from the center of the polygon to any side. But what if you don't know this perpendicular distance? Then you have another formula, which is 1 by 4 into n into s square into 1 by tan pi by n, where s is the length of each side. Now we have some shortcut formulas which you use directly. First is area of regular hexagon. It is given by 6 into area of equilateral triangle of side A, because regular hexagon is made up of 6 equilateral triangles when its vertex are joined to center. Next, area of regular octagon is given by 2 into root 2 plus 1 into side square, and perimeter of a polygon is given by n into s. Now, keeping these points in mind, we can solve some of the previous questions of various exams based on the topic polygons. hexagon of side 12 centimeter. What is the area in centimeter square of the triangle ECD? Option A 18 root 3, option B 24 root 3, option C 36 root 3, and option D 42 root 3. So this was asked for SSC CGL tier 2 in 2018. So here first we can draw the diagram of the regular hexagon ABCDEF. So the regular hexagon is made of 6 equilateral triangles as shown here. Now we need to find the area of triangle ECD. The length of each side is 12 centimeter and let's name this point as O. So here first we need to note that triangles on the same base and between the same parallel lines have equal areas. So here area of triangle ECD is equal to area of triangle EOD because they lie on the same base ED and are between the same parallels ED and OC. So area of triangle ECD is equal to area of triangle EOD, which is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Here a is 12. So root 3 by 4 into 12 into 12, which is 36 root 3 centimeter square. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Next question is the area of a field and the shape of a hexagon is 1944 root 3 meter square. What will be the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 11.50 per meter? Option A rupees 2256, option B rupees 2484, option C rupees 2785, and option D rupees 3200. So this was asked for SSC CPO SI exam in the year 2020. Here area of hexagon is given as 1944 root 3 meter square and the area hexagon is given by 6 into root 3 by 4 a square, which is equal to 1944 root 3. Here we need to find A. So A square is equal to 1944 root 3 into 4 divided by 6 root 3, and A is equal to root of 324 into root of 4, that is 18 into 2 is equal to 36 meter. Now in order to find cost of fencing, we need to find the perimeter of the hexagon, which is 6 into A, that is equal to 6 into 36 equal to 216 meter. Hence cost of fencing is equal to 216 into the rate per meter is given as 11.50. So 216 into 11.50, and we can write 11.50 as 23 by 2. So which is equal to 108 into 23, which is answer is rupees 2484. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. In the given figure, PQRSTU is a regular hexagon of side 12 cm. What is the area in centimeter square of the triangle SQU? Option A is 162 root 3, option B 216 root 3, option C 108 root 3, and option D 54 root 3. So this was asked in the year 2018 for SSC CGL tier 2, and the diagram is also given. Now in order to solve this question, you need to remember this point, that is triangle formed by joining alternate vertices of a regular hexagon will be an equilateral triangle whose area is half of area of the regular hexagon. So this point is very important. So here triangle SQU is formed by joining alternate vertices of the regular hexagon PQRSTU. Thus area of triangle SQU is half the area of PQRSTU, that is half into 6 into root 3 by 4 a square, which is equal to half into 3 root 3 by 2 into a square and 3 root 3 by 4 a square. So here a is 12, so 3 root 3 by 4 into 12 into 12, which is 108 root 3 centimeter square is the answer. So option C is the correct answer. Next question is ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. What is the ratio of the area of triangle ACE and area of triangle AEF? Option A 6:1, B 4:1, C 3:1 and D 5:1. So this was asked for SSC CGL Tier 2 2018. So first we can draw the diagram of regular hexagon ABCDEF. We need to find the area of triangle ACE and triangle AEF. So the same point that we discussed for last question can be applied here also, that is area of triangle ACE is equal to half the area of ABCDEF. Now the remaining half area of ABCDEF comprises of area of the remaining three triangles, and area of triangle AEF is actually 1/3 part of the remaining half area. So area of triangle AEF is equal to 1/3 into half the area of ABCDEF. So area of triangle ACE by area of triangle AEF is equal to half the area of ABCDEF divided by 1/3 of half the area of ABCDEF, which is equal to 1 divided by 1/3, which is equal to 3/1. Therefore, the ratio of area of triangle ACE is to area of triangle AEF is 3:1. So the correct option is option C. So we have discussed maximum points based on the topic polygons and discussed some of the previous questions. Hope you enjoyed this session. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. See you later. Thank you.